It's definitely the best remote year apartment I've stayed in so far. So what is going on YouTube? I am in Lisbon, Portugal, my 10th month on remote year, and I figured I'd give you a tour of my apartment today. I live in this really cool neighborhood. There's a lot of really beautiful architecture. I'm right by the water actually, in kind of the heart of Lisbon. So it's pretty cool. So I'm actually right here, this green door right here, and that's the rest of my neighborhood. And I actually live up there, right on the floor, right before the top floor. Without further ado, let's go ahead and go into this apartment. So like a lot of apartments in Europe, it starts off looking a little sketchy. Got these like concrete, but then that concrete turns into really nice hardwood here. All right, so here we are. There's actually two doors to get into the apartment. There's this first door. I'll start off here right in the beginning. Got a small little kitchen here, which is perfectly fine with me. A little burner here. You guys know I don't cook, but there is a water boiler, which is awesome because I drink a lot of tea. So that works for me. And here's my version of an oven, a microwave. And there's a small little refrigerator down here. And there's even a dishwasher, a little baby dishwasher. So kind of cool. And there's me. You're gonna see a lot of mirrors in this place. All right, so right behind me is the bathroom. It's very ultra modern, typical European toilet. Got me here in the window. It's all like concrete, very modern. And then you have the shower stall over here with a nice rain shower head. And yeah, just, you know, very modern bathroom. So here's the star of the show. This is a studio apartment, but it's huge. It's definitely the best remote year apartment I've stayed in so far. So you've got the big bed right here with the headboard, the lights, which are remote controlled. So that's kind of cool. So got a little remote, I can dim them and turn them off. Got a little dresser drawer over here. I don't have that many clothes, so it's not that big a deal. There's actually these two big balcony doors, and I'm actually showing you this apartment at night because it gets really bright in here and it's really hard for my camera to pick it up. But I will run some B-roll right now of these balconies during the day and what I overlook here in Lisbon, because it's actually pretty cool. I live in a really cool neighborhood. Got a little like dining table here in the middle, a couple of chairs to sit in, another huge giant mirror. There's another one of those in a second. Cute little lamp over here. Little Sony TV. I actually love these hardwood floors, and there's a lot of cool little touches to this apartment, and one of them is this rug on the hardwood floor, so it's not so cold. Then we've got a couple drawers over here and also another big mirror. And then like the little closet here, so you can use that as a closet, but I could also use this over here as a closet as well if I wanted to, like to hang a jacket or something. Actually, that's probably pretty good for drying clothes because there's no dryer here. And then there's this really unique looking wall. I'll kind of step back so you can see the whole thing. But like I said, very, very modern and industrial, but cool. I'll give you a close-up of the wall here. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. That was my apartment here in Lisbon, Portugal. If you've ever been to Lisbon and you have any recommendations of places to eat, things to see, please make sure you comment below. Thanks for watching.